Hello and welcome back to a new ADV Freedom video. Today's video is about changing my GSP bracket on my Transalp. I have a video I did last year, was 2 years ago. I think it was 2 years ago. I bought the GSP bracket from AliExpress, and it's the regular AliExpress bracket. Let me show you. So as you can see, this is, let me take the phone out. Okay, put it here. So still cold outside, winter. But anyway, so this is the GPS bracket from AliExpress with a thick bar. Why do I want to change it? Is because two reasons for me. This shakes a bit when I drive through off-road, like little bumps and stuff. So this shakes a bit. And I think it's because these arms are a little bit too long. So I thought about moving this in this place here. So basically the bar will come lower. Maybe it will help. And the second one is as I said, I want this bar to come a little bit lower, so my phone doesn't sit like all the way up here. So I looked online. I looked online. There's the SW Moto, something like that, which is pretty expensive, and that one comes in this bolts here, so somehow mounts here. But what I don't like about that one is just one point of mounting. So I want a bar because sometimes I mount my phone, camera. So I like a bar here. So what I found is the Cosmo Accessories. All right, so it comes with like hardware to mount 4 screws, which actually I actually measured. So this, if you have this wings here, when I put these wings, I had to change the screws that came with the stock windshield to longer bolts. So now I changed. These are smaller than the ones that I found in my hardware drawer, but this fits. So if you have windshield and bracket and wings, this will fit. Anyway, so let's move to the bracket. It comes really nice packaged. Came in a week. Pretty, not very cheap, but not very expensive. Like, I don't know, $50 shipped. So this is the bracket. It's way lower here, and it's welded. All these connections here, there's no screws, no nothing, is all nicely welded. So hopefully this will improve. It doesn't feel like feels very sturdy. So let's go and mount it, and we'll see how it feels. So if you watch my other video on installing the wings or the GPS bracket, Honda has 4 screws here. I'm gonna have to take all of them out at this point, so I can take that bracket out. So it is what it is. The Honda screws come with 2 washers. One is a rubber and one is a plastic washer. The hardware comes with the metal washer, which they say you should put, and a rubber washer, and I'll tell you what they say, because what I did, it comes with no instruction, so you don't know exactly. It has a metal washer and a rubber washer, so I don't know what to do with the metal washer, and they say to put the rubber washer between the windshield and the metal washer, so it doesn't screw directly in the. But because I have the wings comes directly here, so I'm not gonna do anything about it. All right, so here you have it. This is the one that comes from AliExpress. In comparison with this one, yeah, lower, I guess, and sturdier. This is This looks like it's shaking, so let's put this on. Now it's gonna be a tricky one to mount this. Right, so the trick that I'm using is putting one bolt in the hole, putting the bracket on the windshield, and just turn all of them at the same time. Get in the hole here, hopefully. As I said, a little bit tricky. There you go. Okay, so one is done. Cool. Let's do one on the other side. So as I said, it comes with these screws, but it also comes with a metal washer. This doesn't fit, it fits here. So the way they're saying is put the rubber, the black one, under the metal washer if you don't have wings, and then put the screw. But with the wings, this metal washer doesn't go into the place, so just gonna leave it like this. So unfortunately I cannot get out and do a review, but with the first chance I'll do a review on this one, and I also do one on the muffler that I installed. Let's see how it looks without the phone first. So here you have it. Very low here, very low here, sturdy. Very nice. Okay, let's put the phone on. I also had these ones are pretty notorious on these screws coming loose and this turning, so I had twice doing it. Now I put some blue Loctite on it, and it never came back loose. So if you do have this, you can do that. All right, so that's pretty good. That is pretty good. This is not shaking at all. Oh my god. Check this out. It is not. That is so good. Not shaking at all. All right. I like it. All right. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope I'll see you in the next video.